Welcome all to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing what equipment and software I use for editing footage. Last time round in my first content-based video, I showed you all my drone flying equipment, and now I'll show you what I use to edit my footage I get from all of my devices. Here is what I use: an iPad Pro, an Apple Pen, 2 USB-C memory card reader. I use the LumaFusion app for all clips over 20 seconds long, mainly for large videos on YouTube or other clips I might need in the future. DJI Fly app for quick edits for videos that go on my Instagram. You should be able to see my Instagram account right here. And Adobe Lightroom for editing all my photos I capture in mid-air, like this one here of Llyn looking over Snowdonia. And Adobe Photoshop, mainly for my intro graphics for my videos, more than anything else. Previously I used to use my Mac to read the memory card, transfer files via a locally shared folder to my Windows computer, and then edit on an open source editor called Kdenlive, which has worked fine up until recently. I just wanted a change, and I thought an iPad would be an ideal editing device. I can take it anywhere to do my editing, even on the toilet, but I won't do that. But seriously, there we have it. These are the tools I use for editing purposes. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have anything else, like a nice editing app or even a new gadget. Again, if you want, let me know all about your editing setup. Just type in what you use in the comments below. It will be interesting to see what other people use. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for viewing.